smiles on. Wouldn't it be great if life were that easy?
Hi, I'm Michelle Porcelli, and I am a corporate trainer with over 20 years of experience. I am all about corporate wellness, clear communication, and creating a thriving culture in the workplace.
I believe that when the workplace is healthy, your employees will experience less absenteeism, increased retention, and your business will thrive.
I have created 4 fun and intentional keynotes. Right into the discomfort zone, turning difficult conversations into winning breakthroughs. Who ate my chocolate? 8 steps to build resilience, deal with overwhelm, and move forward with confidence. Chins up, smiles on, also known as Stress Management 101, Finding Marigolds, the magic of mentorship. I would love to work with your company to help your employees feel motivated to create positive change in the workplace. I promise to provide a fun and creative environment where your employees can connect and appreciate each other and help create the culture you have always hoped for. So if you're ready for that next step, email me at thespeakerlady@gmail.com or check out my website at speakermichelle.com. And don't forget, chins up, smiles on.